In this video, I will show you how to change language on League of Legends. So first, go ahead and open League of Legends on your device. So this is applicable for both the app version and the website version of League of Legends. At the top right of your screen, beside the search icon and the play now button, you'll be able to find this world icon. So click on that, and here you'll be able to find all of the languages available for League of Legends. So go ahead and select the language that you want to use for the app or the website, and once that reloads, you'll be able to find the website or the app language change into your preferred language. This feature allows you and other users to easily maneuver and use League of Legends from anywhere around the world, and that is how you can simply change language on League of Legends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.